Maneva na sema PENDREAM TV. PENDREAM TV de osia dem yopo.
Mayam Bonremu na yenhwe Mahama applauds Kasoa-Winneba contractor assures commuters of relief kwanu futuro wosopa yebebo ewura ho na yahwe honom efe yewia yebesa nso ahwe nia Joshua ansa owoti onenso so wode atudwa wo say 2026 eye May Day no yen statistics ye focus on yen create jobs onenso asemwa wakano GRA admitted trader outrage on Publican AI may not have reached grassroots. My uncle Sammy.
Keshri.
Amudi ohina.
And somebody there a dozen.
A dozen.
Say maybe ma yemu ejuma hon kunta. Na afede they want to see action. And at the MBM.
And the contractor on the Winneba Kasoa Road. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
Ako instruction ako share abona baso so guso. Yeah. Antima yenhwe. Yeah, Winneba Kasoa Road no.
You see? I've always said so BBI or catch us MPP and this woman I the chrono. That's any pakroni disappointed MPP member or sympathizer. I just trying to know equalize MPP shame. John Dramani Mahama. No your man penny. And now before befra bemuno. Now I share Juma say. I will come and chroma interchange where we now I can a second phase, which is Ubichebi Lamti roundabout interchange. You know. John Dramani Mahama no president. Oko flower pots. Spinters.
Yeah.
Flyover no. Or chassis.
Yeah, me away.
Akufo-Addo buy between 2017 to 2020, 4 years. Flower pot ejuma ni aye asi pillars ni nyina no anko. The second term no chassis soko no kra no 8 years in wentimi amfa nwie. Obechebi interchange omoye. When you say Akufo-Addo 8 years, Mahama the 4 years, the longest interchange in Africa, which is second. Amen. Or the 4 years. Akufo-Addo at the 8 years, Obechebi interchange. Mahama secure funds at the actual contractor, ya management be 8 years went to me. 8 years went to me. Akufo-Addo by na Mahama through Cocoa Board. Ama contract 230 road contracts. Cocoa Rose contract, including Apeja to Chebi to Bunso. Akufo-Addo buy or suspend or my contractors in a movie from site. And Oja, the air they are going to chrome Chebi pay. Contractor no what Apeja to Chebi to Bunso there, yan stopping. The rest you're stopping in a Jumancos. Yan Fantoto, John Dramani Mahama and NDC. I'm take over. Mahama 2016, Eda all commission cycle interchange, you know. I no catch and say, Oba beye Temamoto way expansion from a year lane I won Oba be double no. Already na wakate sword a omoye adwuma ewo tema interchange runabout no moye no runabout interchange no moye no ewo hono no wakate sword Mahama baye na Akufo-Addo ama contractor akososo tema motorway kwano o mane dai o manana or to adwuma no so not even 1 week or 1 month ne beka se adwuma break or twaso Mahama air commission cycle interchange or catch say was secure funds and are funding for Pokwase oba ye adwuma moye o mane dai enumpo a sika no de to no Akufo-Addo madini nyina pepepe ko ebuku ma se atwes Kenya ma contractor atwes Kenya na kwa nwie no Mahama sapes ka contractor ni adwuma one break for a week, for a month or a year okwa Winneba kwan ya ECOWAS aban bae o man pose adwuma guso a ekoso ofa Accra major road infrastructure bia Akufo-Addo aban na beso so bia Mahama bae no adwuma guso ekoso we na be catch him say MPP ni NDC adekro yenyepe obi obeka za semachiri west ni hu yenyepe enya Accra anko a misu ko sunyane a ekwan a ewura sunyane odi be pie sunyane nyina Akufo-Addo tu ni nyina radenya be misi Akufo-Addo tutu kwan ni nyina nti wu wura sunyane a odi mfuturo na be wura ho wu pie sunyane a odi mfuturo na be pie Accra the same thing ufri Pokwas odi mfuturo beba ufri Cape Coast odi mfuturo beba ufri Tama odi mfuturo beba all point of entry sanu ja no Mahama bae ose o ameka se contractor one dey kubo contract adwuma ne ye yanto aso ye ni sika kran ko pesika ne emfanye how many civil society groups here in Ghana, the moral society including Asofo, how many of them now comment about governance continuous until they buy a vote to us abanabaso obi amonabaso but to be hu nsema o ma beka wachiri. As for May Day edwuma foda na se me on me hu niama bebria happen here under NDC before 2016 election. NDC by power, I've seen those saniama na myself bio between 2013 to 2016 na me edwuma Munti FM na me ye co-host morning show me na me ye newspaper review and newspapers na e ba review no publications ni nyina no minim stories na e play NDC by the same thing 8 years of Akufo-Addo what labor organization and a labor union TUC say aban o de bebu akonta kra kire adwuma dodo aba create. We can count the number of times Trade Union Congress criticize Akufo-Addo and also make attempts to protest it. But on countless times under John Dramani Mahama first term, protest, strike on countless. Whenever NDC ever Bermono, I want to show these institutions, Omube demanded for accountability.
I see.
But
why should it be so?
MPP were Bermoa, they never asked for accountability. But NDC never say, 8 years of Akufo-Addo. Kumasi Ketia markets, second phase, went to MNC. Market women, Ewo Kumasi, and demanded for accountability. Mahama buy after 1 year. They are demanding accountability. Esa mahu ultimatum. Esa ma ultimatum. 8 years of Akufo-Addo. Tama motorway, no street light. Ya major street. Our Accra, no street light. Ya demanding for accountability. John Dramani Mahama buy demanding for accountability. Onokwa on a TA about 2 weeks ultimatum.
About 2 weeks ultimatum. Yeah. So Oman you fix it. That's good.
Minister for Greater Accra Minister Baso.
Yeah.
A very listening leader. Osman, I mean the light anything.
Street light.
Boxes my Tete Baja. My face, my face na me di Bronsam we here. Some Huntor here. Na ho yiso.
Hefa dey na working.
Achimota Forest.
Achimota Forest one. O ma fix it.
Oh, Samuel.
me catch her that day. Me catch her that day. Ye debate ye nyina ne say maame no adwuma no ahya ase a o ye.
Nyene abana bosi.
And the 2 weeks ultimatum no was needless. I said it. And obia demand accountability. A teacher for almost impose or mobile per posting. Fair, they deserve it. Because in your teacher, Boko teacher training, at least 4 years or 3 years. And easy. And that's phobia demanding accountability. Nano metia and as a midwife, Ghana midwives are almost associations.
Yeah.
Emma government ultimatum. Yes. Sa o mamena ni kunu MPP.
Ghana registered
constituency you know.
Midwives Association.
Yes, Emma abai ultimatum.
Constituency chairman yere na ye omo.
Yes, MPP constituency chairman.
Okay, wejana.
Is it English amount from
English amount.
MPP constituency chairman, the wife and his hammer.
They call MPP.
No, ma abai ultimatum about a nurse for.
I see.
8 years of MPP, when give you ultimatum that he was rather holding press conferences, seminars, and forums. I would do explaining. Say, or some munya but no more train.
I say, microphone just smart who say, microphone set agenda.
But
support
the
other side.
8 years of Akufo-Addo MPP. Anese fo a yem posi omo e kwa koye picketing e wo Ministry of Health ya ma police for kwache omo.
Yeah.
But 1 year of NDC. Anese fo ye protest na minister Honorable Kwamla Mita Kando no asi afi no office. Wasimi mobi ankwaje petition mi amesi no asi for no aba abeje. Ni ase dinatem aka. Yeah, said dinatem aka ho. Kwa adwuma manu mbua.
Too bad.
Obesa ma police fo aba be chew, ye besa bo aka ho. Kwa bla minta Kando minister se one de osumo manfo. We si afri no office anante aba beje mo petition. Obo se dinatem. Open minister pa ya disrespecting no under this administration. Kwamna minta Kando.
I see.
Akufo-Addo, omuso me ya lawyer for 8 years, law student. Ekwa demonstration. Ye ma police for ko hwie mako. I dear friends to share edigu omuso. This is Ghana.
A country called Ghana.
So steady. Ghana for na so study ni pa tuntum yesu ba ya o do be wia ne say peja ni pa no e man status ana say ni improve the living condition me improve
omo ye yon galam say ye kwachi omo a
yes
be ukra na
yes
omo say nsu no nye
yeah rap mu ye protest against galamsey yes ma police for kobo omo echi omu kokogu mu ebinim da mu bro 1 month ye nya osofo bia ankasentia yo ya nya osofo bia ankasentia o na de ntia meka sa no ase ye ni patuntum ne penhye so if it seems like if you want to get the best out of a black man shanoso uja no ane pema no a
necessary no here
woman the needed respecter ompe this so shanoso nti sometimes over there enkrofo mu nsam obi omu ska no okona sometimes omu treat omu workers ujira baka say oh papa ni trimo dem papa as can't you see buni penanimtia ntia omu kakra yi money improve is how working conditions. None salary enye ye any man peja. Unko tunu hobiem. Sometimes there's some kind of mentality that keep them poor so that they will be loyal to you.
But that is a bad mentality.
Yes, bad mentality.
Very, very bad mentality.
We should not encourage
NDC always try to do things. Ebema we a Ghana niya or dignify o. Teresa wo ni mo nyam so e Ghana ni awase me somo me ba se me ba besomo. Ba Ghana fo ne ntiase. Umbedi na te kokwa ejima manu wan di na tem. Also free akoto planting for food and jobs wan di na tem. Amwakwata rastalization wan di na tem. Mention them. Eslo usu wan di na tem. And there's Sam George. And this for no ankasa munkra say this Sam George atem. Inferiority complex. Inferiority complex to kill NDC. It happened in before 2016, and I've seen the same thing happening today. Muntie FM. Yes, sir. Let's start a nursing. I could make a comment. I could go and Ankabi. Yes, Mugabe near host. Yes, I told him for contempt. Before cry, Supreme Court on na NDC a lawyer for near in the four mudi party nanim. I'm on my aye voice recording or more patcho. Ya patcho, my me so your bad time about you so good in Naswa. Ya pepa ni yimcha. Ya bonne fache yes no. Me say ya mo recording ye and ya bo e wo Muntie FM e patcho. Omukwe ne ko mugumu. Because o patch of their word materials. They come gumu.
O patch of their odifo.
Abronya we ya. Obi antimi dentist bia ni we so betimi aka abronya si egu nanu mahunu dodo da because impossible.
No. How do you know that? You are not a dentist and you haven't tried.
So I say boa. Kwana kwa kan abronya si na beka che se wo na you professional
32
wo hun si
onipa bi asen 32
akra bi nom dey from
akwa we timi didi president atem edi mpanyimfo atem aposifo akokofa no a na MPP aye press conference issue statement a support no lawyers emie ko defend no wo demonstration. Say NDC will first to condemn you. They will push you to apologize, to admit guilt. Okwa na if you do command we afin kunyana de ompeno mo de amount. So because why you say I am wasem dey be amede meka me betena ha mekasa as a Huntor.
Okay.
Despite the fact that maybe I will communicate some government policies and programs, you know. Officially, I'm not part of government communication team, and I'm not part of the party NDC communication team. And it is a BBA hold me accountable. So about somebody BBA, what the Bible as an individual. But maybe no, my brother Ebano. So who deny NDC demo? Aya dear my NDC and Ash NDC and Munyamwa. Be very careful because NDC a political party. Wo fight ya man no I was say wo de won sa ba ko aka no e sa blocking no.
Okay.
Wo de won sa we e fight ya man no say o prevent some crofo ma me pra no wo sa de won sa we blocking no because ono anya wo be pra.
Sami Huntor me da say mamenko Isaac Steven. Yes.
Yes sir.
Your side of the story.
That's it.
Let's take.
Let's start with presidential visit, you know, Kasoa-Winneba Road, you know. We're going to talk what we said 3 possibilities. And number 1, accountability. Number 2, a big push. And number 3, then local empowerment.
Okay.
Local empowerment is saying we share construction now. Local Ghanaian contractor. And our ejuma no. President Koyo Bonabasu Kama. Okay, I say Kwana Oye no. It measures up to any road in any part of the world. Made in Ghana is good. Now, President Boma Basudia, that means they are doing a great job. It means Boma Basu. What it means is say, Nkrumah Kanasem, the black man can manage his own affairs. So it is good. And the contractors, by putting the NAG Fairmont and the Lovely, the contract is worth $85 million. Okay. And for a local contractor who will pay his taxes here, I think it's something we need to commend.
All right.
President Taka, yes, I was here today. Commend you almost 8 lanes, 4 for main highway and 2 for the side roads. So which is just brilliant. But more than that, extra accountability. Because President Amaomo up to finish 3 months before schedule. December 26th, next year, all right, I hope I'm getting those facts right. But just put it this way, they'll finish 3 months before schedule. Now, if you're a contractor now, Sami Bok, Kwan Bebredia, MPP, starting your own to manage day, Omo to me, Kwan way there, NDC, I have focused. I will see a year before schedule. So that is brilliant. That is very, very good. And it also be a show care of the president. One office or a hands-on president, hands on the deck, putting the wheel to the shoulder. Ono alcohol. One time woman we amaran day anko commission. Ono a futu numu ayede alcohol. Ako bomb abaso. No catch almost say middle road in the middle lane no omunya day omumi entoma passengers na enye easy and more. So it shows that the man, you're right, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, he knows what he's doing. He's God. One can't change minister. So accountability. So again, it shows that it is just brilliant. But more importantly, it shows continuity. Yenti kromu ha, ena ye see e-blocks. Ya number power. Omani kwen wurem. Ye kese sila bi wurem. But sa kwan no ye ba ye den. There's continuity. Ya continue. Na omo projects na omo ye ni na. Ya continue share district assembly common fund na ye disburse ye na. 2025 alone ye disburse 5 billion. Before 2024, MPP disburse about 340 something. About 300 million roughly. Yes, I do 400 million. Yeah, disburse 5 billion within that space of time. And I says a disbursement now, some of it must cover legacy projects. And to share, maybe and can William. Bo Ghana Pro, be ye, a Jumano. Yeah, focused. Reset agenda no. Ye guswa ye day. Yeah.
Okay.
Anti continuity. Promoting made in Ghana. A show vision. Was answer I say, we are. Obama what was I could do Cape Coast. Now Cape Coast is there's a particular accident prone spot there.
No, they are only doing
Yes, fantastic. Into here. Fantastic. Into vision can
from Winneba, Winneba Junction to Apam Junction, up to straight at them. Takrade
ye be Takrade corridor no.
Demo to Takrade.
Sure, ebe tourism aye easier. Ebe ma ECOWAS transit points na then a lot easier. Until ya bomb abaso the president has so one okwaku hu amaye. Yenko eyi Mayday for no. Me busa say adena ene de statistics enya important biom. Oh sure, statistics has always been important. And then the NDC, the back power, the statistics is no longer important. That is a bit unfair. But you're focused. Right. By your casting, you may create 1.7 million jobs. We are focused. We have a 4-year mandate.
So far, have you been able to create
We have the big push has meant that look, the whole of Ghana is a giant construction site. It will cost 10 billion. Who are going to do those jobs? So those are jobs we are creating. Right. So we will do it. We've got the time. Yes, we know that there's pressure. We can do better. We are on course. We will do it. So more worry. We are focused. We will never lose our focus. MP pit my jandam they can go behind whoever they want to go.
But I say a child promising baby in a juma. My own juma.
No correct.
A juma in Kasoa.
Oh, say yeah, bano. Before you create such a mess, we had to get the basics right. So we are setting the basics. The basics are now right. Into sure inflation is down to 3.2%. Sure interest rates are down, borrowing rates are down. That means that I'm for so we are setting the basics right. They left such a huge hole, or even bigger than the one our Mutu Cathedral. If you think about the economy, but we have turned that around. In fact, IMF across the area, you beat your targets. Almost my target to be about 60% GDP, you're above 45. We are growing. On my 4% growth, you trust you cost 6%. So we have fixed that mess. So we are taking off. Now, Minister Khan said, Honorable Kasoa, so we have moved from critical to stable, and now we are on to growth.
Okay.
We will do it.
All right. Nana?
Kedri.
Yeah. Bremwe. I don't know whether you're also going to talk about the Winneba Road, Winneba Kasoa.
Maybe Metika Krefrio.
Okay.
Sir, your Ghana. Ana bain binya kwenya trabenya so. Na sabain. Na imu kandifo. Ni dinde nana adodankwa akufo. Na bedi echiri. Ni efreno Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Correct.
Na bedi echiri no krade. Whilst Nana Akufo-Addo no edabo as commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces of the Republic. No dabo as the supreme chairman of the economic management team. Inti Owura Bawumia ehwe na bosu anu hunu say under MPP ye osikasa wo man ai betimi dia ya kwan. The country in Fisher miensa ekusin Fisher nanso nanka Ghana de baby abefa bia ya kwan nti yebeka ya ade ba ko a ebeji ntene haji din kese wo Ghana any apoto for friend the year of road check
Yeah.
first year mosobo ya kwan ni nyina. Second year, acquire Muslim in the first year. Affirmation shift here about the second year. Then it was a third year. One will follow a year of road program, so called by MPP who say, Bear in Fisher 9. Afibia was saying Fisher 9. Now was set Ghana for was say, obey your coin. And yet, catching,
Yeah.
woman to me 1 mile of quota. Okay.
Time biana yet year of roach. No.
And under the leadership of John Dramani Mahama, under the able leadership of Honorable Abuja, Minister for Roads and Highways, Yantu Yanumutu Nka say, as a party, and NDC former can say, you declare a year of road, because NDC does not engage in weak mantra. NDC are talking to do. NDC believe say actions speaks louder than words. NDC nye sabe manua or kopo ba wakasa bibri. NDC ye sabe manua ohunu obuano a oyitu ho. Insin suma ansani ham. Ene me kashe Yehowa nyonyam. Na nyonyam ne bensun ka John Dramani Mahama ne na pamfo say. Ekwanya one way a promising year of rose. Kasa wombeno. One way, John Dramani Mahama. I will drink Ghana, my hono. Or yes, I can in Ghana. Eti baby, I befe be a country. And then a construction site. Tiabakaya. Yaba Bamuna quickly. Ya coffee sika puduo. Say I found ye eye Pokwase highway about 7 million also.
Yeah.
And more be nada no. Even sa kwan no. Sa 4 tier interchange, you know, the biggest in West Africa. John Dramani Mahama na secure funds no.
Yeah.
On one no secure tema runabout funds no. On one west secure obechebi lamte funds no. Ansa na wo fra bem. Enti nkame akwa say adwuma wo hyase na nananom asre agu ne so na obaba bewi. But are you surprised? President Bosho Shebia would or catch they say, "You're two Obama no be e-levy free. I was saying, and a e-levy ohana.
Maybe.
No.
What catch they say? Say you're two Obama or no John Dramani Mahama, obey COVID tax a free. I was saying, and a COVID tax on one.
David.
What catch they say? Young two Obama no be emission tax a free. Be patro an emission tax in a one. John Dramani Mahama, I promise you, say, be the free primary health care. A here for a good in Kurasia Semi. Ya dear Kitwa Bia, a mosque and who ya de, a kum saying Yafon. President Mahama say one to say Messiah didn't kum saying Yafon. It is a sika and a 1 year. What I said for him. It's young name say a free crasson. Obakwana, maybe baby who I ship. Was a Fanico hospital. Oscar, and Confanico hospital. One never who I shall. One other catches of Fanico hospital. What is what about the hospital? Name me Jimmy Nibi, 1 year penny. President Mahama say, send 70 until you soon be. It's a say, my many fan a bar, number 1 more, not your dark kiosk, give you that free primary health care.
Okay.
The promises of President Mahama is sure. Make hobby because of course you need me a President Mahama. Make a hobby, you say. I am super proud. Firstly, as a Ghanaian and citizen of Ghana, say, ye here buying sister. Not only Anna Mikojina, a Yakata Banso to Aba, Etima NDC, and John Dramani Mahama, even as a journalist. But ye far akwenya bia ye bet me. We spoke with all the might we could command behind the consoles. I am super proud to be part of that history. Now, me did say, Obi Bia or 2 Abama John Dramani Mahama Bia Ketri when we anymore say. Yeah. Now the damn kwaku for the mobile. Ombe Viai, Ombe Kume, Ombe Sail. But send a watch watch room no. Yesu Christo, Baso Bene. Who is John Dramani Mahama? Of course, it's not Jesus Christ, but politically, see a compare. The second coming of Christ can be likened to the second coming of John Dramani Mahama.
I see.
He's more serious than ever. So whilst the MPP and the Kufuado came to steal, to kill, to destroy, the second coming of John Dramani Mahama has come to make it whole. And send me a came. But I basic economic indicators because of John Mahama. Referencing rate above form, policy rate above form, lending rate above form. So automatically it will affect the interest rates at WCMs. Because of John Dramani Mahama, and we don't may answer a question there. Ubisa Brapeni say you need numbers. In terms of jobs,
yeah.
Najuma Ben ye create Mira. Farisee, what do you mean course good? Farisee mean Najuma statistics office, intimate my numbers. But with all due respect, let's put common sense on this table. Construction, yeah, your quan so no. Me patrol laborers no mufre.
I'm from Ghana here.
80 Majuma.
Majuma.
So how many construction sites and you walk across Ghana? Just put your mind to it. Pokwase is just an example. If I told you, Crawford marketer, President Mahama in Sako Khan, is an example. Phase 2 of KTR marketer, Nanano Mahima, Omukasa, Nimdiem, or Dom, actually John Mahama, and I know, Sir President Mahama, Ebete won't so freno. Sabi, yes, phase 2 was here, and you money. A Juma policy. President Mahama I roll it out. Ose nya dwuma bia no. Free primary health care under the leadership of fantastic leader Kwabena Minta Kando. And there you have how many nurses?
Yeah.
It's not more than 11,000. I've forgotten the how many nurses have I moved? Nurses no move.
How much does?
Yes. But at least about 10,000.
Yeah.
It's
around 15,000.
Statistics in Anamedemano.
Yeah.
And you do any beyond. Okrapo was 15,000. So I am saying, say, we have a certain government at poster. Ubugana for. Look, say offer crime body swa and now this is Yanka. We have plied bad route, very bad route under the last 8 years of Akufo. Mahama said never again. Dabio, na Mahama ya ma bro suma. Onu ani nua Ibrahim Mahama. Onu kra danka mamu kra do mehu bebia. Was say even for the people of Damai, we create and now construct concrete or asphalt road from Damai to Cape Coast.
Yeah.
Just abro so. What's John Dramani Mahama? ASM puntu nyuma no as a result of the dictate of the Constitution of Ghana. Nani nua Ibrahim Mahama Damai no kro onya one city free but obesi 2 airports. Onya one city free but obeye asphalt or concrete road. Every Damai to Cape Coast. Ibrahim Mahama enya one city every Damai mu. But according to him, obesi many astroturfs. Obesi on one personal house. Obesi puntu nyuma ama the youth of Damai enye jumai.
Airport.
Also by airport. And once John Mahama enye jumai na Ibrahim wuye. Na odun so ile Lordina Mahama se me nsumi niye. E wo mse me nka ban ho. But your friend be Lordina Foundation, medicine maternity club blocks. Enti nkan kwada ya wo mo mbewuo. Ene ye ma me mo ase bi nko betwa kwansini dodo ansana. O manya aspect ansana ya juma wo no. O mo so be nya hoto. What kind of a government do we expect again as a people? Eti mira. Me de nya seven panyifo anim ohun ade afacha me. Ni na ni efra no ohun. Ba yenso ehun ade no. Ye beti aka kire bi musa. And before no many efra nto mu hu. And because they are not patriots, they are not patriotic citizens. But the yen na yenso ye ni hu no. Ye beti me hwebe ni aka. Na enkoma ye de nyina bra. Yen ka etefo say, ye din komoy within a span of 1 year, 4 months.
1 year, 4 months. Yeah.
Is it John Mahama boy you to the sense say one way you about say I come back 3 days na yakwa because what men yema go fast Dabio na what be so penyin sem da catchy say in the first half of a government in office na CD to dollar obefa no me 60 e bi mo say official 14.5 na me fam obefa no 14.5. Now in the first half, I got single digit. No, what to be some penny sem that, brah. We are GBC trained. You've been there. You are an old journalist. We are veteran in the game, brah. Miss what to be some penny sem that. Yeah, I say me na main team because Miss brah penny so. But it has happened under the able leadership of President John Dramani Mahama. And until I make na makoko kwensi say, what end this in here? Me mo be nada. Me microphone to nyum ensama. Don't let MPP set agenda for you. Because MPP for whom say, and see that's a baby power. Namira. For that length of year and some months, our vanity power, there is not a single scandal. Never in the history of our country has such feat been recorded. And say ye 10 people for. Now yam push the grassroots of NDC. Anko baby mu drop ni antam mani am. It was say I'm sorry ye come no mpanyifo ti bomu a. There's no way say betimi awini abana eba no any ababi ebeba. Because sanka scandal so ho a eno na ye dey ba campaign was say mummiem momma me manfo ho towom me can say President Mahama buy that Abuja there. I salute that man. Abuja will be pahun to Abuja. Me wo me na me next block am to Abuja. Jesem so bi odi Abuja bi enim nyansa. Everybody be di Abuja. Me nyansa everybody be so di Abuja. Abuja fo nyina NDC for. Because what Abuja it does appear as I say nyansa ho trim no. Big man Abuja. but our pension baby no to the Abuja because we Abuja mo buy na quickly because here near wa masame
yeah
a stadium no but see them can no kre omo to ade okwan ho de be sure say some ko check up in foot no say me thanks to Class FM ye program bi na me call report ma omo na me chom say the law pulmonary health a year one human being President Mahama buy ya on Abuja say no. This is never dignified enough for my people. I know common day my repoma a year contract and I was say come on move so go so. I feel no the so go so basa na enya ho talk. But the mama say ade dey say come for renegotiation. Omo ba renegotiation was about and hey mu ko twa ato mom 70 you go to escano enya plan yayi ayi go so yi go somewhere. Now which president again? But you see Huntor say and maybe honam the be ended. I say NDC wa baimwa ana womu a omkasa Ethiopia fa agyan nyina sambafie nimum ase MPP wa baimu dia anyansafuo nyina ekasasa ase NDC wa baimu a ana yehunu say ye wasofo mpanimfo enso ase MPP wa baimu a asefo mpanimfo bibreto am clerical atwene ase NDC ti abaimu a ana yehunu say ye wona nanamatena nkwanya sabi ebi mu ye paramount
yeah
ayetimi kai boso ase. And so the same MPP will be in power and our chiefs, if not kings, will be loud only in their silence. And this is a growing phenomenon. I think say because Sabi and maybe because I am say about tribalism I shouldn't go there. But I said maybe Kromuti ni ba we nipa. Asante ni ba we nipa. But teni ba no. Penny ba boy ban ba afena especially ya kan for no who say say twi vocabularies no e be academic. We must stop this. That ingrate attitude that be onanka KJT market na ahema for ne buy no ahema for omo be ye na say omo ye ayi community press conference ahema for no bra I salute them omati asante manim enkrofo na ekasa asante man bebrefo adwen wo fom no oma kire say nye sa me expect say me wuranom ana me ma menom so market wo achim so be sorry because enkrofo so say yenso adwen wo fom na yenso enkyerem say ente sa because kamia akọ say ye de ye ye wo yetum adwen no say be ye ma na nya adwuma emfa won ne president Mahama be ye yehui da bi o dan ka sabi mpanyifo ne say be akudon to sa ye ne adwuma e ba ne say na wanya certain president that you almost Krofru market. Almost Kumawu market. Mama Fare market akenwura. Polyclinics a was anti-mamu nyina NDC at Mills NDC including John Dramani Mahama. Apart from that, schools are whole draw a war as anti-mamu. Sabi, everyone knows what NDC is MPP cannot point to just one school. Beyond that, President Mahama be see 123 E-blocks. Education complexes no ebi akeke nwuram awa santimantem. The same President Mahama had the whole Ghana bole bamboy ade sheka ho eho no free anko betima kosi market wo nso se da bi West Africa nyina market eso no mi kosi esi ba bi a yempo aba ma me. It takes only a selfless leader because sanka President Mahama bisa me anka manisi wo voter region because enya hwekura me nuanom evers ne beto aba man. But of course, when we engage in that kind of politics, we will be projecting tribal bigotry. Amwa, it's President Mahama. Kachre wakwakosi eye ketia marketi chese is the most wonderful market in the whole of West Africa. Bra yesi phase 1. Then osiwie no onimye ya. Osiwie ya ni tu na banso nto no kura wanya kwanya ancheche market no. Nya wa mere ho no. Young people in a better chair, but of course, governance is continuous. So, I in Tiffany, I say, yeah. Then these guys came for 8 years. Theo, wait till I see a dream from no. These guys came for 8 years. I'm referring to MPP. First one, because baby grandpa, Oman your say, bra, and some of the stores, and all the stores see for the first time in the history of Katia, in so toy, I mean, so because baby I say waterway no ma sin store no ma send their mom girlfriends for 8 years MPP are better us man can't tell MPP say Munsi phase 2 and MPP call if you share what you then suddenly tell anybody buy just 1 year I find that some market women that was and say wa mukasa no ekwa atwe na ba fi eti ye ma president Mahama otumetum wadwen ye adwuma odwene a se woda sum ye so a se utim mo fom a how will you think this way but me kako wie say me ma me no mu a eye ahema market ahema se bi